Hey friends, who's hungry? Serve this easy and delicious bourbon cranberry sauce on your next Thanksgiving dinner table. First, we need to remove the seeds from one whole vanilla bean. Lay the bean flat on a cutting board and carefully run the tip of a sharp knife down the center. Spread the two sides of the bean out flat, then using the dull edge of a knife, gently scrape away the seeds from the inside of the pod. Set both the vanilla bean and the seeds aside for later. In a medium saucepan, combine one 12-ounce package or 3 cups of fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, the vanilla bean pod and the seeds, 1/4 cup of bourbon, half a cup of orange juice, and half a cup of cranberry juice. Heat the pan over medium-high heat until it starts to boil. Then cover the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. Simmer the cranberries for 7 to 10 minutes until the cranberries begin to soften and pop and the liquid thickens. Remove and discard the vanilla bean pod and remove 1 cup of the whole cranberries from the pan and set aside. Puree the remaining sauce, then add the reserved cranberries back to the pan and stir. The sauce will continue to thicken as it cools, so allow the cranberry sauce to chill for 4 to 8 hours before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.